Hi there! My name is Ohanna if you're new to this channel, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about Function of Beauty, which I'm really excited to talk about. It is a custom shampoo brand that has been marketed a lot over Instagram as well as social media, and it's gotten a lot more popular lately, and I wanted to talk about it because I've actually been using Function of Beauty for one entire year now, and so I feel like I have a lot of experience to talk about the pros and cons related to Function of Beauty and whether or not it's worth your money, which is actually really important because some shampoos might be good and might smell good, might make your hair feel good when you're taking a shower, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you want to spend your money on it, especially for a premium price like how Function of Beauty's shampoo goes for. So stay tuned and I will get into all of it. I also am going to show an unboxing of the new Function of Beauty package that I had come in the mail recently and just talk about, what you get when you buy the package, just so that you can see the whole experience before you spend your money on it. Like I said, I have been using Function of Beauty for one entire year now, and I honestly really do like the formula. I think that it's really nice. It smells super good. I think that it has done wonders for my hair. However, I don't think that it is suited for everybody. I feel like, people can have different experiences with it just depending upon their hair type as well as what they want from their shampoo. Here is the two bottles that I have currently that I've been using. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner, and I really like it. You can see that I use it regularly. I think that, first of all, I definitely wouldn't recommend the rose scent. Let me smell it one more time. Yeah, it's really not nice. Like, I don't think it smells like roses. It doesn't smell like rose water or anything like that. So that's one negative that I'd have to say. Like, I've had pretty good experiences with the different scents. I think I got the milkshake scent first, and I've also tried the peach scent, and then I moved on to try the rose scent, and I really don't like the rose scent, but I like the other two that I tried. So definitely, look up and see which ones are popular. Like, I know peach is a super popular scent and I really recommend it. But let's look at the bottles that I got in the mail. So I opened it up and it just says a little message at the front of the box. It says, "Love yourself, vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free, sustainably focused," which I think is really awesome. That they are trying to be more socially conscious and environmentally conscious in their making of their shampoo. I think that more brands need to be like that for sure, and I think it's a great thing they're doing. And okay, so on the top of the box there is like a little booklet, and so the booklet is really nice. It says right here, "Function of Ohanna," which is really cute, customized. And so the profile that I put in for my hair is wavy. I have fine hair, you can kind of tell probably in the camera. And then I think the next one is like, I have a normal scalp, like not oily or dry. I think one thing that makes like using Function of Beauty easier for me is because I didn't really have super high expectations of it transforming my hair to begin with. Even though you're choosing these goals, I don't really think that you're going to get very clear results for each of the ones that you're choosing. I think it's more just like a vague idea of what you want, which is it's slightly disappointing because if you're gonna pay a premium for a shampoo, you kind of want it to transform your hair, and I don't think it necessarily does that when you're looking at the line by line for what goals you want. They also gave a bunch of stickers. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, like a bunch of stickers to put on your shampoo bottle as well. So they do have a breakdown of what the hair goals are supposed to do. So for anti-frizz, they're going to hydrate and soften hair texture while protecting strands from frizz, static, and breakage. I do think that the anti-frizz has worked for me. That's always a go-to. Shine. Enhance your hair's natural shine, luster, and reflection while improving overall hair health without weighing hair down. I think that has really worked for me too. Like, my hair hasn't been super greasy or anything like that, but it does look pretty shiny in my opinion, and I don't think that I really get that with a, you know, run-of-your-mill shampoo that you could get from the grocery store or the pharmacy. So I do give them credit that the shine really does work. Soothe scalp, moisturize and energize your scalp to relieve discomfort and reduce buildup. I don't think this is true. I feel like it's just really vague. I don't know what moisturize and energize really means. Like, how can your scalp be energetic? And I don't think it really relieved discomfort. It's not, Function of Beauty is not a substitute for Selsun Blue or Head and Shoulders. I think that you definitely, if you have an irritable scalp, you need to get an appropriate shampoo, and Function of Beauty didn't cut it for me personally. Okay, straighten. Relax and style unruly hair with a biolipid complex that leaves a sheathing film which naturally disciplines hair even in humid conditions. I think that it has worked fairly well for me. Like, I think my hair hasn't been too poofy even though it is pretty humid outside. So I'll give them that credit. I think my hair's been really controlled and sleek. And then the last one is thermal protection. Moisturize and condition heat damaged hair while protecting strands from future damage caused by thermal styling. This is also like, I'm on the fence about it. I think that, you know, it does probably make a slight difference, but nothing really noticeable. Like, I got my hair cut probably 2 months ago, and I really have not seen that much of a difference in terms of the number of split ends that I have. I actually have a ton of split ends even though I don't straighten my hair every single day. So kind of disappointed in this aspect. I don't really think they are protecting my hair a ton, although I don't know, maybe it's just not something shampoo can do for you. Maybe if you use heat on your hair, no matter what, it's going to be damaged. I don't know, but it's just not protecting my hair from heat that well if they're claiming to help me do that. Okay, and on the back they say they are based in New York and it's good to use for a year. So that's pretty much the summary of the breakdown in terms of my formula and what I think about all the goals and whether or not they've been delivered for me. I also do change it up, so I put like anti-frizz for the summer and I put hydrating or something along those lines for the winter, since there's a ton of humidity in the summer and not enough humidity in the winter. So I do change it up a little bit, but I think I've definitely had all these goals before. So hopefully that will give you a little bit of insight, especially if you have a similar hair type to me. So here's the box again, and you get these pumps so that you can pump out the shampoo really easily. And I ended up getting no color in my shampoo this time because I heard that it actually wasn't that good for your hair to be using color in your shampoo. So, you know, whatever it takes to calm my roots and make my hair look nice and, you know, behave well, I'll do. So yeah, no color, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty basic, just a white bottle. The shampoo is a little bit less opaque than the conditioner. And yeah, that's about it. For this last part of the video, I just want to talk a little bit about the money aspect of Function of Beauty and whether or not I think it's worth it. I definitely think Function of Beauty is super expensive for a shampoo, even if it's custom. For these two together, it is about $50 flat. And for the 8-ounce set, so both of these with the 8 ounces, it is $40, which I think is just really expensive for a shampoo. However, on the flip side, if you use it sparingly and don't like pump out a ton every single time you shampoo your hair, I definitely think that it will last you for a while. I think this is only my third set of Function of Beauty ever, and I've been using it for a year. So I think that they recommend that you use it for like 3 months, but mine probably lasts around 4, I guess, if I use 3 in a year. So yeah, I think that it definitely is something that you don't need to replace that often, which is really good. However, I do think it's super expensive. But if you are going to invest in Function of Beauty because you want to see changes to the quality of your hair, I would really recommend to get the 16-ounce instead of the 8-ounce because it is a way better deal and you're getting much more for each dollar that you pay. If you get the 8-ounce set, you're pretty much getting 50% less and only getting a $10 discount. So that is my overall review of Function of Beauty. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up icon and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of my review. I definitely am going to try to do more beauty type reviews going forward, especially because I have a ton of beauty subscriptions that I'm excited to talk about with you guys. And so thank you so much for watching again and have a great rest of your day.